today I'm gonna be making a vision board for 2024. Before, I didn't believe in vision boards, but now I started believing in them because I made one last year, which is right here. This is my ugly vision board from last year, and half of the things became true. So, for example, I went to the beach. I want to go to the beach because I have not been to the beach for a really long time, and I went to the beach. Also, I finished my portfolio. I have it right here. I don't know if you can see it. That I wanted to be closer to my religion, which did happen. I started being closer to my religion. I hit 300 subscribers. Now I have 400, which I'm so grateful for. Also, here I wanted to get like a sponsorship, and I did with one brand, which I'm very thankful for. Anyway, today I will show you tips and tricks on how to do your own vision board. So let's just get started. What exactly is a vision board? A vision board is a representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It consists of a collage of images, words, and affirmations that represent the things you want to achieve or attract into your life. The purpose of a vision board is to help you visualize your life every day and to keep you motivated so you don't forget about your goals. So let's jump into what it takes to manifest your desires. Before you start printing and cutting your images, you need to get real with yourself. I recommend you write down into your notes app or your diary or anywhere you want. You need to write your goals for the year. I also recommend splitting your goals into categories that are personalized to your life. So for me, for example, I have social media, lifestyle, religion, traveling, hobbies, finance, studies, and self-growth. When you write your goals, make it detailed. Don't just write, I don't know, I want money. Like, be specific what you want, and also write it in present tense. I think like it's that you can already see yourself being that girl, like that person that does this, you know? So for example, I make X dollars a month, you know? Or I reached this amount of subscribers, you know? Like something like that. So it's not I'm going to, but it's I am, or I have already. So now that you have written it down, you can go on Pinterest and make a Pinterest board for all of your desires for 2024, and then you can print it out. What I recommend is that you choose pictures that are like from your point of view. Like, it's not just a picture of a girl and you're looking at her, like you're looking at her having your dream life. Like, it should be like from your point of view. Okay, so now that I have all my pictures printed out, I'm gonna cut them up and put them on this paper. You can just, I don't know, blast some music and just do it and chill out. I will show you a little bit of me doing it, and then I will show you the final product.
To take you in, I wanna lay you out on the table. Take a hit. I'm floating, I'm going, I'm gone. You dope and you blow me right into yours, and I'm hooked on this habit, and I'm attached to it, and I'm attached to it, and I'm attached to your love, vision, innovation. Don't need no therapy, I'll be your remission, 'cause I don't care if I'm overdose, ready to quit.
So I'm done. This is the final product. I'm so happy. It looks very pretty. I upgraded the size so it's bigger so I can see it more clearly, and I can always look at it. Like, I don't have to squint my eyes to see what's going on. I'm gonna put it in front of my bed or like beside my bed, so every time I wake up or go to bed I can see it. I also do recommend you put it up somewhere near you where you go every single day that you look at, so you can visualize and be like excited again and motivate yourself to make your dreams come true. Anyway, and I hope all of your desires and dreams come true. Let me know if you like this video and what video would you like to see next. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Love you.